May ganito pala dito sa Pilates. Akala mo naman sweet lang. Ayoko nito. Charot. Gusto ko yung mga low impact, high intensity. Tama ba yun? Whatever. Ayoko na ganito. Pero hinihingal. Ayoko talaga ng cardio. I don't like cardio. Cute lang. Hindi dito ay focus. Okay lang, di pa ako bayan. Gone for today. Thank you.
Na-appreciate ko yung lasa ng panir nung luto ko na. Yung hindi na mamantika.
Pinapakain ako ng kuko. Gala agad after umidlip. Ay, naantok ako sa dugot. Tuk-tuk gaming tayo. Tuk-tuk. Ligo-ligo to mga mali. Gala agad after makaidlip. I'm
here to look for more workout clothes.
Hello everyone! So once again, I just woke up at mag-aayos na ako para sa aking work. Normally, I don't really do my makeup in this very spot, but for the sake of lighting and the video, dito tayo ngayon. Buong araw akong antok at yung kasama ko were both sleepy the whole day because of some stuff we need to take. So everything I do now is a way of fighting off the sleepiness para maging productive, para mas maging active pa rin. Because if I let my body succumb to the sleepiness, wala akong magagawa. Hindi ako makakapag-vlog. Wala tayong magiging, wala kayong mapapanood. Wow, ang daming viewers ha. 12 lang naman. What I like about my current job is that I used to dream of doing a creative makeup without just doing it na nasa bahay lang. Yung gusto ko yung may purpose siya. So, now that I'm a mermaid, somehow it's a dream come true na I have to do a glamorous or at least a colorful makeup because I have to perform. Although, there are days na hindi ako nakakapag super glam makeup. There are days na I choose to do a simple mermaid makeup, ganyan. And both are okay. Depende sa persona ko for the day. Mermaid persona. And as a performer, I do enjoy the process of glamming up because I need to, not because I just want to. And also, me being a mermaid right now is like an advertisement of my life. You know, in the corporate world, ganun, you don't really have to use a lot of brain cells. Like, eto parang rest ko siya sa brain ko after all the stress that I've been through. Ganyan. So, para ko siyang advertisement sa buhay. I do like this. Habang bata pa ako, I'm able to experience this kind of life. Travel a lot. Like, parang ginawa na naming Siargao yung Maldives. So, I really appreciate the lifestyle that I have right now. And being here, it's very, very humbling. Ang daldal ko. So, it's a very humbling experience because I was able to encounter a lot of different people na I wouldn't imagine. Like, akala mo sa movies lang. Yun pala, nangyayari talaga siya sa totoong buhay. So, it's overall challenging and at the same time, a very nice experience. I take this as a learning experience. Because everywhere we go naman, everything we do, magkakaroon tayo ng challenges. But it's up to us on how we take it. So, are we gonna take it like from a victim mindset na kawawa naman ako, ganyan. Or are we gonna take it from a mindset na, oh, I learned a lot from this experience. Diba? So, I hope you can see how sparkly my look is right now. Because it's so cute. Like, I really like this palette. Thanks! So sparkly! Yes! I hope the video is giving justice to these palettes. Sparkly magic. This is my favorite palette for my sparkles. Also this one from Pretty Sexy ni Jelly Eugenio. Gamit na gamit ko tong palette na to. It's really like an on-the-go palette for me. The thing about mermaid makeup is everything should be exaggerated somehow. Because when you go underwater, a lot of colors are filtered out by the water. So, yung red na to, hindi siya ganun kakita underwater. So, dapat ko pa siyang kapalan. But, I'm gonna do it later na. So, yeah. That's it for this makeup session. And in a few minutes, I'll be going to my shift na. And see you there.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the shadows?
Kalimutan ko, nagbablog nga pala ako. Pero kwento ko na lang. So, after shift ko sa tank, dun na ako naliligo sa dressing room namin. Cause, I just really prefer na dun na maligo. Kasi pag umuwi pa ako dito, tatama rin pa ako. Ang tatagal pa ang ating ligo process. So, dun na ako naliligo. And then, dito na lang ako nagtatanggal ng makeup. Cause, minsan, paglabas ko ng shift, may mga nagpapapicture pa. So, ayoko namang magpapicture na wala na, haggard na. Yun. So, I just let my makeup on until I get home. And then, dito na ako nagtatanggal ng makeup. So, ayun, kung napansin niyo, sobrang chill lang ng isang buong araw ko. There are actually so many tulog in between. Hindi ko lang vlog kasi bakit pa ako mag-vlog ng tulog ko, diba? Ayun, that's it for this video. If you have any suggestions, questions, feel free to message me or drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you all and big bubble kisses. Bye!